Hi all friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my orchids, pruning and repotting my orchids. This is my 7-year-old orchids and it's been flowering every year. So I'm going to take off those dry roots, and these tiny holes I have made for easy drainage of water while watering the orchids. Taking off these dry roots, just leaving behind the green one. And cutting off these burnt leaves. As I keep my orchids on the window sides where it gets to the indirect sunlight, but sometimes the strong sunlight can burn the leaves. So these orchids will be flowering soon during the springtime. It's always good to keep these sticks for support for orchid plants so that they don't align in only one side. So this one is done now. And here is another Phalaenopsis orchids which have been gifted by one of my friends last year, and it has bloomed only 1 year with me last year, so I'm expecting it to bloom this year as well with me. As this pot is too small, so I'm going to repot it in a bigger pot. So first I'm using the orchid pot mix up to 1/3 of the pot. And placing it over it. And taking off the dry roots. Leaving the green, healthy aerial roots. And topping up with the orchid pot mix up to the label. So friends, finally it's all done now. Repotting finished, and I'm looking forward that it would bloom this spring, and I will update you guys at that time as well.